Good morning, children. Myself Anil sir, and we are here at the e-learning platform of St. Michael's Academy, Chhauni Betia. So this is class 6th, social science, geography segment, lesson 3, latitudes and longitudes. And in this video, we will deal with the objective questions. So let us start. Answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. Question number 1. Latitudes and longitudes help us to dash. So the answer is locate places on the earth. With the help of latitudes and longitudes, we can locate the place. The crossing of lines of latitudes and longitudes on the globe form a pattern known as grid. 4 options are there. Out of 4 options, grid is the answer part. Question number 3. The total number of latitudes on the globe is dash. 180 is the answer part. Question number 4. The Arctic Circle lies at dash. 66 degree N. N means north. So 66.5 degree north is at where Arctic Circle lies. Question number 5. The total number of meridians on the globe is 360. So in this way we have finished these particular questions. Now we will deal with fill in the blanks. So let us see. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Dash is the angular distance of a place north or south of the equator. The answer is longitudes. Second, the Tropic of Dash lies in the southern hemisphere. Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Third, the heat zones which lies between Arctic Circle and North Pole is called dash. Frigid zone. 4. All dash are of equal lengths. Longitudes. 5. The distance between two dash does not remain constant. Meridians. So now I am reading the full sentences again. Longitudes is the angular distance of a place north or south of the equator. Second, the Tropic of Capricorn lies in the southern hemisphere. Third, the heat zone which lies between Arctic Circle and the North Pole is called frigid zone. 4. All longitudes are of equal length. 5. The distance between two meridians does not remain constant. Question number C. Name the following. A heat zone between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. It is temperate zone. Second, the longest latitude. It is equator. Third, 0 degree latitude. Again it is equator. Equator is the other name of 0 degree latitudes. 4. The other name of longitudes. Meridians. 5. 0 degree meridian. It is called prime meridian. It is also called Greenwich meridian. So again I am reading this. Name the following. A heat zone between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. Temperate zone. The longest latitudes. Equator. 0 degree latitude, equator. The other name of longitude, meridians. 0 degree meridian, prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. Now next question. Match the following. Time reckoned by the noon sun at a given place. The answer is local time. Second, 66.5 degree N, north. That is Arctic Circle. Third, the longitude of international dateline. It is 180 degree. 4. The Indian Standard Time meridian. That is 82.5 degree east. 5. Torrid means hot. Again I am reading. Time reckoned by the noon sun at a given place. Local time. 66.5 degree north, Arctic Circle. The longitudes of international dateline 180 degree. The Indian Standard Time meridian 82.5 degree east. Torrid means hot. So in this way we have seen the objective questions of lesson number 3, and in this way we have finished the geography portion or geography part for the coming examination. Your portion is 1, 2 and 3 in geography segment. So do this, complete your copy, do your revision, prepare yourself for the examination. Until then, thank you.